Hello friends! Do you want to know everything about tenses? Then this video is going to be a blessing in disguise. We are going to use a verb or an action word and make sentences in different tense form. The rules and the color coding will help you to understand the concept easily. Why to waste time then? Let's jump into the pool. This is what I call as the super easy tense chart, which I have prepared for all of you. Tenses can be divided into 3 time and 4 aspects. The 3 times are present, past and future. And the 4 aspects are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. All these times and aspects combine together to form the 12 different tenses. If you have understood this, then I should be teaching you about the first, second and third person in singular and plural form. The first person is the person who is talking. The second person is the person to whom we are talking to. And the third person is the person whom we are talking about. So, I is the first person, you is the second person, and he, she or it is the third person. They are all in the singular form. On the other hand, words like we, you and they are first, second and third person plural form of pronouns. I hope you have understood this concept clearly. Now let us make sentences using subject, helping verb and verb in V1, V2 or V3 form. The verb that we are going to use in today's video is play. Let us begin with simple tense. There are 3 tense forms: present simple, past simple and future simple. We will read sentences which begins with singular or plural form of subjects. The rule is like this for the sentences in present simple form. Subject plus verb 1 or verb in its base form with S. Look at the sentences now. I play, you play, he, she or it plays. We play, you play, they play. Rules for past simple. Subject plus verb in its past form or verb added to ed. I played. You played. He, she or it played. We played. You played. They played. Sentences in future simple. Rule is subject plus will plus verb in its base form. I will play. You will play. He, she or it will play. We will play. You will play. They will play. Now we will use the same word play and make sentences in continuous form. There are 3 continuous forms: present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. In present continuous form, we make sentences with subject plus is, am, are plus verb in its ing form. Look at this. I am playing. You are playing. He, she, it is playing. We are playing. You are playing. They are playing. In continuous form, we talk about actions which are happening for some time. That means the action is not over. That's the reason why the verb is in ing form. Look at the rules to make sentences in its past continuous form. The past continuous, also called as past progressive, is a verb which is used to show that an ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of time. Let us look at its rules. Subject plus was or were plus verb in its ing form. I was playing. You were playing. He, she, it was playing. We were playing. You were playing. They were playing. Future continuous tense is sometimes also referred to as the future progressive tense. It is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in future and continue for an expected length of time. The rule is very simple. It is subject plus will be plus verb in its ing form. I will be playing. You will be playing. He, she or it will be playing. We will be playing. You will be playing. They will be playing. You should understand that these rules are permanent, and when you change the helping verbs, the sentences sometimes may go wrong. So if you don't want to go wrong, practice making sentences with different verbs. Next, we are going to make sentences using the same verb play. This time it is going to be perfect tense. There are three aspects in perfect tense: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Perfect tenses are typically used to talk about actions that are completed in the present or a particular point in the past or future. Here the sentence begins with the subject plus has or have plus verb in its participle form or V3 form. I have played. You have played. He, she, it has played. We have played. You have played. They have played. Rule for past perfect. Sentence begins with a subject plus had plus verb in its participle form. I had played. You had played. He, she or it had played. We had played. You had played. They had played. Future perfect rules. Sentence begins with a subject plus will have plus verb in its participle form. I will have played. You will have played. He, she or it will have played. We will have played. You will have played. They will have played. Hope you find it easy to understand. Practice by making a lot of sentences with different verbs. Next, let us make sentences with perfect continuous form. There are three aspects: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is also called as present perfect progressive. It is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. Look at the rule. The sentence begins with a subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in its ing form. I have been playing. You have been playing. He, she or it has been playing. We have been playing. You have been playing. They have been playing. Let us look at past perfect continuous. A past perfect continuous tense shows that an action that started in the past continued up till another time in the past. Here the sentence begins with the subject plus had plus been plus verb in its ing form. I had been playing. You had been playing. He, she, it had been playing. We had been playing. You had been playing. They had been playing. The last one among all tenses is future perfect continuous. It is also called as future perfect progressive. It is a verb tense that describes actions that will be continued up until a point in the future. This sentence begins with a subject plus will plus have been plus verb in its ing form. I will have been playing. You will have been playing. He, she, it will have been playing. We will have been playing. You will have been playing. They will have been playing. Now it's time for you to practice using different kinds of verbs. Make a comparison between the tenses and the sentences to understand the similarities and differences. While practicing, try to make deliberate mistakes. Sometimes you understand better by doing this. See what happens to your sentences when you don't practice or follow the rules properly. I felt happy to teach you. If you really like this video, please leave a comment below. Share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.